Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you I like my avatar. I got a cookie mouth for some reason on my avatar, but don't mind the lag spike and stuff. All right, you can rate all these musics and stuff. Yeah. So we can do hide and seek, doors, FNAF 2, kind of trash because it got abandoned by a hacker. And we got doors. Oh wait, no, not doors. We got slap battles. Can't actually slap in there, but I did add a secret glove that won't definitely come out. I'm gonna show you my doors, and you have to every 5 videos I'll be showing you some maps. So you have to rate my doors map. I got guiding light looking like wood, like always. I got my own event. God, I hate these lag spikes. I hate it. Yeah, and this thing says guiding light. If you won the game, then read this message. Congrats, you win rock bottom. Okay, let's just start. And no, I don't have music like the game, but I'm pretty sure if I add music, it's gonna be copyrighted, so. This is my map. Yeah. My God, how did I turn off lag spike or something? PM. Yes, this is the updated version, but I don't have the God, I hate these lag spikes. I swear, I swear, I'm gonna get Roblox to get rid of these lag spikes. I swear, this game is hating me now. Also, I got these paintings as the elevator because they kind of look like elevators. After this, I'm deleting some data. I keep lagging all the time. I literally, you know, yeah. This is the map. If it looks bad, then I have to update it. So give this a 1 or 1 schedule out of a 10. So basically, you can pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By the way, if you guys pick 5, let's just say I kind of have to update update the doors. But if you pick 1, I have to rebuild this place, and what I mean rebuild is redesigned. And also subscribe if I should fix my lag. And also, if you pick a 10, that means I have to delete the eyes because there's seek eyes. First door. And if you pick a 9, you have to delete item because it's not part of the map. That key over there is gotta stay still. Also, should I also make it so you can't use abilities like dash and stuff? This. Well, if you want me to get rid of that, you have to pick 1 too as well. 1, I redesign everything and also get rid of abilities. And 2, and if you pick 10, I have to delete these eyes. And if you pick 9, I have to delete every item besides the key that you need. Another key. Basically, what I mean is crucifix. The crucifix is a gun because there's now you see why there's ammo all over the map. Because there's a crucifix as a key, and I'm pretty sure it can kill you. But yeah, oh, we're already at 50 record. But yeah, subscribe so I can fix my lag. I'm gonna go fix my data.